Microsoft Identity and Access Administrator Associate, the name of certification that help you a lot to understand how to protect our authentication and authorization. Hey everyone, this is Manjeet Rawat, your online instructor, and I'm super excited to inform you that we decided to start a new live classes for identity and access management. Yes, I'm talking about SC-300. We are preparing ourselves like in this entire module we will talk about the real time issues related to the security, because you guys are aware about every organization trying to set up their resources over a cloud platform. I'm not talking about only for Microsoft, the Microsoft services are like Microsoft Azure or Office 365. Every cloud platform can give us option to set up our identity and access management. If we talk about Amazon Web Services, we have a dedicated place where we can find the option of IAM. You are using Google Cloud Platform, Oracle, IBM Cloud, whatever types of cloud platform that you are going to use to set up your resources, IAM is a part of each and every cloud provider. Why we need to learn about Microsoft IEM? Because you know that 90% organizations set up their mailing services with the help of Microsoft 365. And over Microsoft 365, all the organization trying to synchronize users from on-premises ADDS. And ADDS is a common, right? It's a common type of service that every organization need to establish to control their on-premises resources. It may be a laptop, desktop, client operating system, printer, or another types of resources that established by organization. So if we talk about the proper structure, how real infrastructure can perform the work, so you know that we are going to start from on-premises ADDS. Every organization establishes ADDS using any server operating system like server 2019, 2022, 2025. And over a server, definitely need to establish our Active Directory domain services. We need to create multiple users. Let's take an example. You created 50 different users on on-premises AD. Microsoft Interconnect tool allow us to bring that users from on-premises AD to Microsoft Intra Admin Center. And from Microsoft 365 Admin Center, we are going to assign the license to all synchronized users, that they all are able to access Office 365 services, because it's not a only user, this is the email address of our employee that we hired, right? So one, we are going to synchronize users to Microsoft 365, and from 365 we need to assign the license. And you know that organization also using third party applications for different purpose, right? Maybe Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, or another type of platform like ServiceNow, ConnectWise, Zoom, number of third-party applications like Azure Firewall, FortiGate, Palo Alto. So, if user want to log in Palo Alto Wizard or FortiGate Wizard with the help of same user ID and password, then you have to configure SSO. And SSO is part of IAM. In the upcoming live class, we are going to cover each and everything based on Microsoft Blueprint. So let me share my screen and show you what are the services that we will come manage in our live classes. So give me 1 minute. Let me share my screen that I can show you the proper roadmap of this entire training. I hope everyone able to see my screen. This is the content SC-300 Microsoft Identity and Access Administrator Associate, divided in multiple modules. Like we will start from the very basic like users management and users identity management. We will discuss about user creation, configure administrative unit, about the licensing and subscription. We'll discuss about how to configure SSPR and what are the prerequisites that we need to keep in our mind to set up SSPR. Implement authentication and access management means definitely you need to protect your login activity, multi-factor authentication, configure password-less authentication, and conditional access policy. In conditional access policy, we have a multiple types of policies are available that allow us to protect all the types of services. Configure authentication method and policies, and then plan and implement workload, where we are going to discuss about manage application registration, how we can register third-party application with Microsoft Intra Admin Center, configure enterprise application, implement managed identity and service principle, plan and automate identity governance, and we'll talk about the technologies, Microsoft Intra ID, complete information about Microsoft Intra ID. We'll talk about conditional access, SAML 2.0, Auth 2.0, and OpenID Connect, which is OIDC. This is another type of method that allows us to set up SSO, single sign-on. And PIM is a basically privileged identity management, which is applicable for cloud environment if you are going to manage the identity and login management. So this PIM will help you a lot. We'll discuss about application registration and enterprise applications. SSO, this is really important. And question, why it is important? Because you know that um, number of contents are available related to the Azure fundamentals and Azure administrator and AWS solution architect, but which is very difficult to find the videos or contents related to the security. So that's why for every IT professionals, it's mandatory to know about how to protect our environment with the help of modern method using IAM services or using SC-300 content. So if you want to become cloud security engineer, so please join, because we decided to schedule free demo class on 19th of July 2026. So you should join and try to understand about how we are going to start our live batches, and you can ask, you guys are open to ask questions related to the security. And the live batches we are going to start from August second week, and if everything is okay, we are going to connect in our live batches. Do register. All the informations are available in the description of video. You just need to go through, register yourself. We'll coordinate to you and inform you about the proper how you can proceed and register yourself to be the part of live class. That's it, guys. This is all information that I wanted to share. Do subscribe your on Teach Me Cloud YouTube channel. Take care. Bye bye.